How to download free games on PS4. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to download free games on PS4. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, downloading free games on PS4 is quite straightforward, especially if you have a PlayStation Network account. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you download free games on your PS4. First, create or sign in to your PlayStation Network account. If you don't have a PSN account yet, you will need to create one. You can do this directly from your PS4 console or through the PlayStation website. If you already have a PSN account, sign in to your account on your PS4. Second, navigate to the PlayStation Store. On your PS4 home screen, scroll to the right until you reach the PlayStation Store icon. Select it to enter the PlayStation Store. Third, find free games. Once inside the PlayStation Store, navigate to the Games section. You can usually find this in the menu bar at the top of the screen. Look for a subsection or category labeled Free or Free to Play. This is where you'll find games that are available for free download. Fourth, browse and select a free game. Explore the selection of free games available in the store. You can browse through various genres and titles. Once you find a free game you are interested in, select it to view more details. Fifth, download the game. On the game's page, you'll usually see an option to download it. This may be labeled as Download, Get, or Free Download. Select the download option and the game will begin downloading to your PS4. The download progress will be displayed on your screen. Wait for the download to complete now. Depending on the size of the game and the speed of your internet connection, the download may take some time. Be patient and wait for the game to complete. Last, install and play. Once the download is finished, the game will automatically install on your PS4. After installation, you can launch the game from your PS4 home screen and start playing. Remember that, while many games on the PlayStation Store are free to download, some may offer in-game purchases or additional content that you can choose to buy. Make sure to check the details of each game before downloading to understand any potential costs involved. Enjoy your gaming experience on PS4 now. So, this is how you can download free games on PS4. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.